Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. So today I came to explain about that conic section, particularly from the parabola. So whenever the parabola equation is given which is not in standard form, okay, yes, it may be y minus k whole square is equals to plus or minus 4a into x minus h, or it may be x minus h whole square is equals to plus or minus 4a into y minus k. Already we know from the previous video I explained this one. When the origin is shifted to the point h comma k, we may get of these four forms. Okay, yes, so this one is given, we are going to transforming into that form, any of the forms. Okay, then after from those what we are going to find this one: vertex, focus, length of latus rectum, equation of the directrix, what is the axis of the parabola. Okay, so if you are following that direct method, I mean traditional method, okay, we are going to transform into that one. Then after comparing this one, the focus is h comma k, okay, yes, vertex is h comma k, focus and the length of latus rectum, like this we can find. Okay, here now I am going to giving the simple shortcut for this one. Okay, yes, so before going to that, make sure that the y square quotient must be 1. What is that? Y square coefficient must be 1. If it is not, the quotient of y square is 1, we can make the y square quotient is 1. Then after we can proceeding like this. Yes, so here the x quotient is, what is the x quotient is? Minus 2. Okay, right. So that x quotient is nothing but your length of latus rectum. So it is your length of latus rectum. So which is you can denote with 4a. 4a equals to minus 2, which is in length. So take the modulus. Okay, yes, it is 4a is 2. Length of latus rectum is 2. That's it. So here length of latus rectum we will get it is 2. Okay, then if 4a equals to 2, a is 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. A is 1 by 2. So here we can get one doubt. It is the right handed side open parabola or left hand side open parabola. Okay, anyway, compulsory the first one. Why? Because the variable y has a second degree, right or not? But here one doubt, it is right handed or left handed? Yeah, very simple thing. Okay, here x quotient is negative. Here x quotient is negative. Of course, we will get that right handed side opened parabola. What is that? Right handed side opened parabola. We may get like this. Yes, right handed side opened parabola. So in that case, h comma k is the vertex. Okay, here you go to focus and here you get the directrix. Let us see how to find. Yeah, now I am going to finding the vertex. So the variable y has the second degree. Now I am going to derivating this one, which is called partial derivative. What is that? Partial derivative. Dou f by dou y equals to 0. What is the difference between the derivative and partial derivative is the, so in case of partial derivative, derivating with respect to y, that means x term becomes constant, right? And partial derivative means with respect to derivating y, x term becomes a constant. Okay, yes, to find the vertex, yeah, let us see how it is. Dou f by dou y. So come on, it is 2y plus 6. Okay, remaining terms are constant, which is equals to 0. That means y equals to minus 3. So y equals to minus 3 means in the vertex, the y coordinate is minus 3. Now that value is substituting in the given parabola. So that means which becomes, it is 9 minus 18 minus 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So minus 9 plus 5 minus 4, 2x is minus 4, x equals to minus 2. What these values are? Vertex h comma k. So then I can write, so here vertex is, so it is minus 2 comma minus 3, which is h comma k values. Okay, right? Yeah, now it is already we decided this one. It is right handed side opened parabola. So vertex is h comma k. Can you say the focus? So this length is already a. That length is a. Okay, then what is the focus is? Focus is h plus a comma k. So okay, yes, here is the h plus a comma k. Now I am going to finding the focus. S equals to h plus a comma k, which is, what is h value? So which is minus 2 plus a value is 1 by 2. Okay, minus 2 plus 1 by 2, and of course k value fixed value, which is minus 3. So which is minus 3 by 2 comma minus 3, like this you can find. Okay, then what is the equation of the directrix? What is the equation of the directrix and what is the axis of the parabola? Yes, so when you are going to get this form, if the origin is shifted to the point h comma k, so of course this is the axis of the parabola. This is the axis of the parabola. That means which is passing through the focus and which is perpendicular to the directrix, right? And this line is parallel to the x-axis. So what is the equation of a line parallel to x-axis? Y is equals to constant. So axis of the parabola, here I can write y equals to, y coordinate is constant. So y is equals to k. So y equals to k means simply y is equals to minus 3. Okay, not? Yeah. So and in this case, what is the equation of directrix? What is the equation of directrix? Equation of directrix is axis is parallel to x-axis. The equation of the directrix is parallel to y-axis. Right, and parallel to y-axis. That means x is equals to constant. X is equals to constant. Okay. Now can you say this point is? Can you say this point is suppose m? So s is h plus a comma k, and here m is h minus a comma k. Right, and h minus a comma k. So here x coordinate is h minus a. H minus a is minus 2 minus of. Okay, and a value is minus 1 by 2. Which is minus 5 by 2. So I can write x is equals to minus 5 by 2. This is the equation of the directrix. Okay, like this we can find whenever the equation parabola equation is given, we can find all those. Okay, right? So without transforming in that form, simply we can get first of all length of lattice rectangle getting a value, then after partial derivative we can get the vertex, then after we will get all the remaining things. Okay, right? Come on students, make a note. So we will discuss one more problem. Yeah, let us see that one more problem. 2y square plus 3y plus 4x minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, yes. So make sure that the y square quotient is 1. So here y square quotient is 2. So I can write it is y square plus 3 by 2 of y plus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Dividing with 2. Okay. Now y has the second degree. Y has the second degree. It may be in the form of so right, it may be in the form of y minus k whole square equals to plus or minus 4a into x minus h, but we don't know that is right handed side parabola or left handed side parabola. Yeah, so here x quotient is 2, positive 2, right, and plus 2. That means it is clearly left handed side opened parabola, right. So here we will get that easily, left handed side opened parabola. Okay, so that means it is in that case what is the length of lattice rectum? First of all 4a is 2, then a is 1 by 2. Okay, length of lattice rectum 4a value 2, we got this one. Okay, yes, and then how to get the vertex? Just now I explained, which is dou f by dou y equals to 0. Dou f by dou y, so come on, dou f by dou y, this one, so we can take any value. So for this one, which is 4y plus 3 equals to 0, y equals to minus 3 by 4, right, and remaining terms are constant. After getting the y value minus 3 by 4, you can substitute in this equation. So y is minus 3 by 4, so then it becomes 2 into y value minus 3 by 4 means which is 9 by 16, okay, plus 3 times of y, so but is 3 into plus 3 into y value is minus 3 by 4, and plus 4x minus 2 is 0. Okay, it is 9 by 18, and 9 by 8 minus 9 by 4 minus 2 is equals to 4x. Okay, is equals to minus 4x. Okay, okay, right. So first of all, yeah, simplifying that value, total it is LCM is 8. It is LCM is 8, 9 minus 18 minus 16. Minus 16 is minus 4x. Okay, so minus 34 which is minus 25 by 8 is equals to minus 4x. Then x is equals to 25 by 16. So no, not 25 by 16, 25 by 32. Okay, not? Yeah. So finally, what is this value? Vertex y is equals to minus 3 by 4 k value, and h value is 25 by 32. Now I got this value. So it is h comma k value, which is 25 by 32, and it is minus 3 by 4. Like this we can get the values. Yeah, so then after, okay, I got the length of latus rectum, I got the vertex, then what are the remaining things? So what is the axis of the parabola? Can you say this one? What is the axis of the parabola which is parallel to the x axis? So y is equals to constant, that means y is equals to minus 3 by 4, or simply 4y plus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, then what is the focus? Focus will be here. Okay, right. So then what can I do this one? Focus. So here h minus a comma k, focus. So from the vertex focus will be left side of this one. Okay, so here I can write the focus s is equals to h minus a comma k. Right, what is s? It is 25 by 32, h value minus a value minus 1 by 2. So here minus 1 by 2 comma k value minus 3 by 4. Yes, simply it is 25 minus 16, 9 by 32 comma minus 3 by 4. Right, like this we will get. Okay, yes. So let us take one more problem with the second degree is the for variable x. Okay, students, come on, make a note. Okay, let us see the one more equation. Now the variable x has the second degree equation. The variable x has the second degree equation. Yes, it may be in the form of x minus h whole square equals to plus or minus 4a into y minus k. Okay, plus 4a upward parabola, minus 4a downward parabola. Okay, yes, so that is depending upon the a value, but how to get this one? Okay, anyway, so for this one make sure that the x square quotient should be 1. Okay then, yeah, so that is x square minus 3x plus 2y plus 13 by 4 equals to 0. That is very important thing. Okay, in the before model the x quotient is the length of latus rectum, and in this case the y quotient is there, the y quotient. Okay, so it is the length of latus rectum is 4a equals to 2. That's your length of latus rectum. Of course, then a is 1 by 2. Okay, yeah, but it is upward parabola or downward parabola, that is depending upon the y quotient. Okay, here y quotient is a positive, then I can get it is the downward parabola. Okay, yeah, the before model also I said this one, x quotient is negative, right side opened parabola, x quotient is positive, left side opened parabola, y quotient is positive, downward parabola. Okay, here you can get the downward parabola like this. Okay, here the vertex is h comma k, here the focus is, and here you will get the directrix. Right, here this is the point M, this length is a, this length is a value 1 by 2. Okay, yes, first of all I am going to getting the vertex. Okay, so in the before model, so we had done that partial derivative with respect to y. Now the variable x has the second degree, now I am going to partial derivative x with respect to x, dou f by dou x is equals to 0 with respect to x derivative, that means y becomes constant. Yes, come on, which is 8x derivative 8x minus 12, 8x minus 12 equals to 0. So x equals to 3 by 4. That means x coordinate, vertex of x coordinate of the vertex is 3 by 4. Okay, after getting x value 3 by 4, substitute in this equation, you can get y value. So that is, so 4 times of x square value, it is 9 by 16 minus 12 times of x value, which is 3 by 4. Okay, plus 8y plus 13 equals to 0. So it is 4 times and 3 times, so which is 9 by 4. Okay, minus 9 plus 8y plus 13 equals to 0. So we can write 8y. Okay, so which is plus 9 by 4 and plus 4, minus 9 plus 13 the plus 4 is equals to 0, which is 8y plus 25 by 4, 16 plus 9 is 0. Then y is equals to minus 25 by 32. Okay, y coordinates minus 25 by 3 by 4 and minus 3 32. Okay, here we got the values. So vertex is this is the vertex, so which is h comma k, you can write vertex is 3 by 4 and minus 25 by 32. Okay, yes. So now what is the focus? Please observe this one. What is the focus? So from the vertex, y coordinate is decreasing. Y coordinate is decreasing. That value is a. So you will write clearly this is h comma k minus a. Am I right or not? H comma k minus a is the focus. Yes. So focus yes is h value 3 by 4 and k minus a. So k value already minus 25 by 32. So which is minus 25 by 32 minus what is a value is 1 by 2. Okay. So which is 3 by 4. Okay, minus. So 25 minus 16. So which is minus 41 by 32. Like this we will get the all the values. Okay. Then what is the axis of the parabola? Can you say? Axis of the parabola is parallel to y axis. Parallel to y axis means x is equals to constant. X is equals to h. That means x is equals to 3 by 4. So you write this one clearly. So axis of the parabola x is equals to 3 by 2, or we can write 2x is equals to 3 like this. Okay. Yes. What is the equation of the directrix? Equation of the directrix is parallel to x axis. Y is equals to constant. Okay. Here you will get the point. So this value is h comma it is k plus a. So we can get this value. First of all we can find the value point m, then we will get the equation of the directrix. Okay, students, come on. So make a note. This is one of the shortcut when the equation is not given in the standard form. So we are going to transforming into that form. So without using that tradition rule. Okay, so we are going to get the length of latus rectum, getting the vertex. After getting the vertex, we can get this one. So what is the shape of the parabola? It may be right handed side, left hand side, upward or downwards. So after getting this value, we can get each and everything value. Okay, yes, come on students, make a note. Okay students, so two problems are given for you. So one is that parabola equation with the variable x has the second degree equation, another is the with the variable y has the second degree equation. Okay, for these two problems you can find all those. It is length of latus rectum, vertex, focus, equation of the directrix and axis of the parabola. Okay, you can try these two problems and send those through that the comment box. Okay, so be ready for the next coming video. So until then, bye bye.